Okay, so first you're gonna open Chrome, and then you're gonna have to find an image. Okay, so I'm gonna use my own logo, and then you're gonna need a background. So for background, you can just search for any wallpaper, or you can just search for background, and then you can choose from any of these. And then once you've downloaded that, we can move on to step 2. Okay, so step 2 is to open lunapic.com and photopia.com, and then what we're going to do is we're going to upload our image onto lunapic.com. Not the background. The background, we will work on the background later. So first let's upload it. Okay, so this is the logo and this is the background I'm using. So let's open the logo. And then we're going to click on transparent. Then we're going to click on save. So let's cancel this. Okay, so after doing that, this is the second step, and next let's move on to the third step. Okay, so step 3 is to make a new project on Photopia that we have just opened. Let's click on create over here, and then we're going to click on file, open, and then we're going to import transparent the transparent logo that we got from Lunapic, and then we're going to open the background, and then we're going to import this. We have to grab it, then you have to drag it over here. So now we're going to click on edit, free transform, and then we're going to edit the size of this. Alright, so let's yeah, I think that should be fine, and let's center it now. Okay, so now once that's centered, you can click on background. Now we can start editing the background. So we're going to go to the blur tool, right click, blur tool, and then we're going to increase the size of the brush to about 300, and then we're going to start blurring the edges. And then we're going to do this all around. Now what we're going to do is we are going to decrease the strength of this to about 20, and then we're going to come in closer to the logo. And don't worry if you get the logo blur, we can fix that. And then we're going to increase the strength again to 80 this time, and we're going to give it only on the edges. Same thing over here and over here, even on the top. Okay, so now that's done. So let's click on the sharpen tool this time, and then let's increase this to 87, and then we're going to sharpen this so all the blurriness on the logo will disappear. Okay, so now that that's done, so let's give some finishing touches, and then our wallpaper will be ready. So let's if you would like, you can add some text. You click on this, and then you can just click wherever you want to give the text. So if you want, you can give it here, and then you'll have to wait as it says here it's loading. Then you can type in whatever you want. You can increase the font over here, then you can type in whatever you want. And so if you would like to type in example wallpaper, you can just type it, and then if you want to save it, you can just click on enter, and then click on background, and then it will be saved. If you want to center this or something, you can click on the wallpaper, the text one, and then you're going to click on this, and then you're going to select everything like this, and then you're going to move it. So you could do that, but I'm not doing it over here, so I'm just going to delete it. Okay, so now let's let's blur it out a bit more over here on the edges. Okay, so once we're done giving the finishing touches, we can export it using the file, and then if you want, you can export it as a PNG. I'm going to export it as a PNG, so let's click on PNG. Then you're going to click on save, and then click on open when done. So that is the last step. To set it as a wallpaper, you can right click, set as background, and then you can close everything, and then you will have this as your new wallpaper. And I hope you enjoyed this video. See you.